Welcome to Jeweality. To access our website, open any web browser and type Jeweality in Google. You will see our official website, jeweality.com, at the top of the search results. Simply click on it to open the site. This platform is designed to help jewelry designers, brands, and even enthusiasts bring their ideas to life in just a few clicks. With Jeweality, you don't need to be a 3D expert or spend countless hours drawing, sketching, or refining your jewelry designs. Our platform is built to make the entire process simple, fast, and enjoyable. You can easily choose the type of jewelry you want to create, whether it's rings, necklaces, earrings, or bangles. Then share your ideas using simple prompts. Our smart AI tools take over from there, turning your concepts into stunning, professional quality designs instantly. Every design is realistic and ready to present to clients, share on social media, or even take directly to manufacturing. Keep in mind, these are just concepts, so you can use them to create multiple variations with your design team and refine them further. With Jeweality, you save a huge amount of time and effort while still getting beautiful, high-quality results that bring your creative vision to life exactly as you imagined. It's the perfect way to design jewelry without needing advanced skills or expensive software. In this course, I'll guide you step by step on how to use Jeweality, including logging in, setting up your account, choosing a subscription plan, and using the AI tools to design rings, necklaces, earrings, bangles, and much more. By the end of this course, you'll know exactly how to transform your jewelry ideas into realistic visuals, ready to share, present, or take to manufacturing. To start, we'll go through the account creation process. To use our services, you first need to create an account on Jeweality. Click on the Get Started button, which will redirect you to the Sign Up page. Here you have two options: sign up using your email and password, or use the one-click Google Sign Up. For this demonstration, we will use the one-click Google Sign Up method. After successfully creating your account, you will be automatically redirected to the user dashboard. Let me give you a full overview of your dashboard. On the dashboard, you will see the credits section where you can check your available credits. If you don't have any credits, click on Add Credits to purchase the amount you need. You can also see all your generated designs, how many credits you have used, and quick action buttons for our AI tools. Clicking any of these tools will redirect you to the respective AI tools page. Scrolling down, you will find the Recent Activity section, which shows all your recently generated designs. On the left side menu of the dashboard, the first section is My Designs, where all your generated designs are saved and accessible anytime. The next section is Collection, where you can view all your developed collections. The Credits section shows your current credit balance, subscription plan expiry date, and transaction history. The My Information section contains your account details, which you can update if needed. The Change Password section allows you to update your account password easily. The Help and Support section provides a form to contact our support team, and scrolling down reveals the FAQ for common questions. Finally, the Delete Account section allows you to remove your account and all associated data if you no longer wish to use our services. In the next video, we will explore how to get credits and use all the AI tools step by step. Thank you for watching.